family day. Bigfoot up there. We almost made it. All uphill. I can tell you that I am out of shape. How you feel?
Not good.
Not good?
No.
We need some work, people. We need some work. Oh, okay. I had to keep walking the baby even when we reached the summit. I had to take my hat off. I don't know why I wore that stupid hat anyways. It's super hot. My hair's crazy. Guys, I know my hair's crazy, but no matter what I'm doing, no matter what video I'm filming, working on the truck, any kind of event, on the road trucking, it all comes down to this. Whoa guys, check out this flare stack right here. It's crazy. I should have filmed it coming up the hill. There was like 6 of these things everywhere. That thing is ripping. But this pad is super busy, man. There is so much going on here. They got flare stacks like that everywhere. Super cool. Alright guys, check this out. I was at the wrong place on top of the hill. This is definitely one of the craziest lease rides I've been on. It's like I mean, it's pretty tight, but super muddy. Oh yeah. Super cool. Look, they got another flare stack going up there. Can you see it through the trees? There's flare stacks going everywhere here, and they are ripping. Got some trucks up here. It's super soft. I bet you people are sinking. See that flare stack just ripping up there? Huh. This isn't much of a pad. This is more of like a flare stack situation. I'm gonna go find my guy. Alrighty, we made it to the car wash. Had a couple runs today. Really good, awesome. Truck got trashed. Warm day today again. We had a warm day yesterday, but it was family day. So today I'm taking the warm weather and I'm taking this time to spray off the salt underneath of the truck. That is probably the one thing I always try to do, is get underneath and spray the salt off. Okay, so I'm in a dilemma, and I'm asking for you guys to help me out on this. I need some real world, actual advice and real results. I'm at Starbucks. I definitely have a problem. Okay, no, but for real, I need your help. What is the best mud tire? Now I'm gonna explain a little bit real quick. I need a mud tire. Some of you are gonna say, why the heck do you need a mud tire? If you just seen my last clip, a couple clips ago when I was delivering this morning, I get in some, you know, rugged terrain situations where it's not always the best conditions. So I'm going with a mud tire. And right now I need tires. I did a few too many burnouts and I need tires, especially because my inspection is going to run out. My tires are getting low. I couldn't get any traction today, almost got stuck. I need tires for a list of reasons. So I'm calling on you guys. I'm using the platform of YouTube to help me decide what kind of mud tires should I go with. I know a little bit about tires, but I'm looking for some actual results, some real feedback from real life people who run mud tires. I get that a mud tire doesn't really last that long treadwear wise, but I need one right now currently in my life. I do like the stock wheel look, so that's not an issue for me. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna run that for a little while. A few videos ago, I posted some things about tires. It was a quick little thing. I was mentioning, you know, like an Naturo Trailblade MT, an XT, maybe a BFG. You guys were giving me some great feedback. So the sole purpose of this video here is to get you guys to interact with this video and let me know your thoughts on mud tires. Now this is going to be my winter set, so I do not want to spend all my money on a set of super expensive tires to just run for a few more months. But I do want a good tire. I don't want to have balance issues. I don't want to have weird irregular treadwear issues, which I do know that some super cheap mud tires, they don't balance correct. They ride like crap. They're super loud. And they're just overall a super junky tire. I'm not looking for like bottom of the barrel. So guys, I am calling on you. Let me know what kind of tires you guys are running. Mud tire. There's a whole list of RTs, ATs, XTs, all of those. I'm going mud tire right now. I know there's like a zillion videos on YouTube talking about mud tires. I don't care about those videos. I want to hear what you guys have to say about the tires. So let's see it in the comments. I want to see what kind of tires you guys are running. What is the best mud tire? But that is about it for today, guys. Real quick, do me one favor. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. Go follow me on Instagram at Modern Diesel Corey, which will be the second link in the description, and the first link will be our merch. If you guys are interested in Modern Diesel merch, it's super cool, super awesome, super sweet. Go check out our merch line and help support the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. You guys are awesome out there. But I have a few things to do here in the garage. As always, I will catch you on the next one. Peace!